So my article is about the influence of age on memory on distinctive events. So this takes a look at memory for distinctive effects and if it's influenced by aging. And we don't know if distinctiveness helps memory performance in older adults due to the lack of studies in this area, though many studies have been done on younger adults. So this one kind of focuses on both of them. So this is something to care about because a lot of findings are very different in terms of the results. So it's just like, this one is just getting like a different kind of, another kind of view to have more results on it to compare to other studies. So it uses semantic isolation, the semantic isolation paradigm, where people show better memory for a word when shown in a group of items in a different category compared to a word shown in a list of unrelated words. So it explored the aging on memory using the semantic isolation paradigm, and some adults don't demonstrate isolation in memory because retrieval of the isolated item. And it's interested in older adults and their similarity on how younger adults retrieved information. And the method of the study is half the study lists made isolate obvious and the other half did not. The purpose told to participants was to measure reading time. They were instructed to read each word silently and press a space bar when finished. Then 5 minutes, there was a visual distraction displayed, and then they were given a category for a cued recall test with 24 categories, and then asked to recall a word from earlier, like the earlier words that they were given from each respected category. And the results were that younger and older adults demonstrated an isolated effect on memory and contrasted to earlier results because older adults can aid memory through this type of distinctiveness. So though other studies showed younger adults having a better memory for isolated items, older adults were just as likely as younger adults to mention the isolate. So in the study, older adults showed smaller isolation effect than younger adults, just by like a small numerical number. And then both older and younger adults can use distinctiveness as like a crutch or advantage when used in semantic isolation paradigm.